Okay, here we have the fan cooler. As you can see, the box is intact. There is no significant damage, no crushing, and yet, as you see here, the cooler has been bent badly. You can see it is crushed to the point where it's actually contacting the fan blades, and in fact does not turn without rubbing against the cooler. Consequently, if this is plugged in, it will not turn properly, it will not cool. This is a unusable product. And in fact, if you look, the actual connectors between the fins have become detached. There is no way of fixing this. I need a refund, or I need you to send a replacement. Thank you.